Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify SMS shortcode delivery with Twilio status detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify SMS shortcode delivery with Twilio status, start by logging into your Twilio account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the programmable SMS section in the sidebar. Click on it to access SMS functionalities. Next, select the Monitors tab under the SMS section. Here, you will find the option for message logs. Click on Message Logs to view the list of sent messages. Use the filter options to narrow down to messages sent via your shortcode. Find the specific message you want to check. Click on that message to view its details. In the message details, look for the status field. The status will indicate if the message was delivered, undelivered, or failed. For further insights, check the error code if applicable. This code can help diagnose why a message was not delivered. If you want to automate this process, consider using Twilio's API. Refer to Twilio's API documentation for SMS message status. Using the API, you can programmatically check the delivery status of your messages. Retrieve their status by making GET requests to the appropriate endpoint. Ensure to include your auth token for authentication. You can also set up webhook URLs to receive status updates in real time. Configure your shortcode's messaging service to use webhooks for delivery status. This will allow you to receive automatic updates about message statuses. Review the logs periodically to keep track of delivery performance. Regular monitoring helps in identifying issues promptly. By following these steps, you can effectively verify SMS shortcode delivery with Twilio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.